Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Math Hub. We're going to be solving this equation right here. So what we have is x power 6 minus x power 3 is equal to 2. And so we want to find out the value of x that actually satisfies this equation right here. And then of course, if you need to our channel, do what to hit the like button, and of course subscribe to our channel even as we proceed. Okay, so having said that, let us now proceed with the video. So what I'm going to do is to rewrite this x power 6, and I can actually write it as x power 3 and then raised to power 2. So if I use this 2 to multiply this 3, it will give me back 6 right here. Okay, minus x power 3 is equal to 2. So if you watch very well, you can see that I've got some common terms right here, x power 3, x power 3. So what I'm going to do is actually to set x power 3 to be equal to another variable so that I can find it more convenient is also to solve. So if I replace it right here, what I'm going to be having is m power 2 minus m is equal to 2. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is actually to subtract 2 from both sides. So if I do that, what I'm going to be having is m squared minus m, and then minus 2 is equal to 0. So clearly this is a quadratic equation, and then we can just proceed to use the formula methods to solve this. Okay, so in this case, the coefficient of m here, which is a, is equal to 1, and then the coefficient of m squared rather, which is a, is equal to 1. The coefficient of m, which is b, is equal to minus 1, and then this constant right here, minus 2, is equal to c. Okay, so to compute m, we're going to be using this formula minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. Okay, all divided by 2a. So substituting all of the terms right there, this is b is minus 1, so I'm going to be having minus 1 plus or minus the square root of minus 1 squared, and then of course minus 4 times 1, and then c is minus 2, and of course it's all divided by 2 times 1. So if I simplify, minus times minus here is 1, okay, plus or minus the square root of minus 1 squared is 1, okay, minus times this minus is plus, 4 times 1 times 2 is actually 8, okay, so of course divided by 2 times 1 is 2. So this is actually going to be giving me 1 plus or minus the square root of 9 divided by 2, and this will be equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 9 is 3, okay, divided by 2. So you actually see that the value of x is equal to 1 plus 3 divided by 2, or 1 minus 3 divided by 2, and in which case m is now equal to, so this is 4 divided by 2, or, and of course this one is minus 2 divided by 2, which of course m, it will now be equal to 2 or minus 1. But we actually set our m to be equal to x power 3. So for us to now find the value of x that is going to satisfy this problem, we can now be able to go ahead to substitute the value of m, and then we can obtain the value of x. So for m equal to 2, we can now write this as 2 is equal to x power 3. And of course, for us to get the value of x, we can just raise both sides to power 1 over 3 is equal to x power 3, and then multiply by 1 over 3. So this cancels this, and obviously x is now equal to 2 power 1 over 3, or you can just say cube root of 2. Okay, and then the second one for m equal to minus 1. So minus 1 is equal to x power 3, and then like we also did, we are just going to raise both sides to power 1 over 3, okay, or taking the cube root of both sides. And if we do that, this cancels this, and then x eventually now becomes minus 1 power 1 over 3. Okay, or you can just write this as cube root of minus 1. Okay, so these are the two values of x that is actually going to satisfy the problem we are solving. So just like we've gotten it, x is equal to the cube root, sorry, this is cube root. Okay, so the cube root of 2 or the cube root of negative 1. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. This is where we're going to be wrapping it up. If you've enjoyed the video, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Do want to like this video, and also let me have your thoughts in the comment section, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.